How to activate Express credit card online. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video of this channel. In this video, we're going to learn how you can activate your Express credit card within a couple of steps. So if this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end, and let's get right into the video. First of all, open up your web browser and search for Express credit card. Once you search for it, you can see this link which says Express credit card, and make sure that it is the website of express.com. So just click on this link and it's going to take you to a section where you need to first log into your account in order to activate your card. So just click on sign in, and again from this page you can see this sign in button. Click on the sign in button right here, and it's going to give you a login box. Now firstly, you'll need to log into your account by typing in your correct username and the password of your Express account. Once you are logged into your account, you'll have a section of activating your card by typing in your card details. And once you type and send in your card details, your credit card of Express will be successfully activated. But however, if you don't yet have online account of Express, you can create one by clicking on register now, and you can fill in these details such as your credit card number, your zip code, choose your identity type and type in the last 4 digits of the identity that you selected, and click on find my account. Only then, after you create your account, you'll be able to activate your credit card of Express. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. If you want more videos similar to this, turn on the notifications so you get notified for more videos that we post. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.